Welcome to my channel, Excel is Magical. In my previous videos, Part 7 and Part 8 of Excel Basic to Expert series, we had learned how effective is AutoFill feature when we have to quickly enter data which comes in series. But do you know, this AutoFill option can be disabled as well? Just have a look at this worksheet. Hope you remember this worksheet where we created all these series through AutoFill feature. Let me try creating one more series now. I'll just erase this data and recreate the series of the months. Now I'll go to the fill handle. Oh my god, where is fill handle? My pointer does not change to the black plus at all. So here, without the fill handle, I cannot use AutoFill feature at all by dragging. See, if I try to drag here, oops. Drag again. No, it is selecting my data instead of doing AutoFill. Of course, you can use series command, which you see on the home tab, fill over here. But through dragging, AutoFill is not happening at all. In case you come across this, let me show you how to enable it. So you just saw I was unable to use AutoFill feature because the fill handle here is disabled. When I take the mouse pointer on this right bottom corner of the current cell, I don't get that black plus symbol. So to enable this, you click on File, go to Options, you get this Excel Options dialog box. You need to access the tab Advanced. In Advanced, in the Editing Options group, you have an option Enable Fill Handle and Cell Drag and Drop. This is currently not checked. So that is the reason why I was not able to use the fill handle. So if you want to use it, just mark this and then click on OK. Now let's see the effect of this. I go to the right bottom corner. Hey, you could see that black plus, that is fill handle, is enabled now. Let me try dragging. Here you go. I could see how nicely my fill handle is working now. You might be wondering why Microsoft has kept this option of disabling and enabling fill handle. Let me show one harm of enabling fill handle if MS Excel is used by absolute new users. Here I have a worksheet which is having a lot of transactions. Let me show you the number of transactions here. I go into one of the column and press Ctrl down arrow. Look at that. I have 2156 rows filled here, right? So this is a lot of data. Actually, these are few invoices made with so many information. Now, imagine this sheet is edited by a person who is completely new to Excel and goes to the column ship country, access fill handle and double clicks here. Oops! So my data which is on top cell got overwritten on all the below cells and all my transactions have changed to the country France now. And imagine, in panic, the person closes the file and saves it. You can imagine the impact of it. I hope you know why this happened, right? Because fill handles, another usage is to copy the cell information to where you drag. Thank God we have undo command and we can restore this column with the data which was in before. Ctrl Z. So in a scenario where absolute beginners are working on some important databases, it is always recommended to disable the AutoFill feature and then let them use the workbooks. Alright, that's it for now. This is just a short video to make you understand how to enable or disable AutoFill feature of MS Excel. Please use the feature smartly. Thanks for watching this video and hope you liked it. And if you have liked, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel Excel is Magical and hit the bell icon to get notifications whenever I upload new videos. See you in my next videos.